Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how I prepare this delicious special stew. Guys, this recipe is very easy to prepare. Please help me to share the video, like, comment. Thank you. So I'll be using goat's meat and chicken for this stew or the sauce. So I added my seasoning, my thyme, onions. Now I'm going to add a little water and then stir. After stirring, I'm going to cover and let it cook. So this is the soft chicken that I'm going to use. I've already washed it. After letting my goat's meat cook for a little while, I added my chicken to it because we all know that goat's meat is very strong. So that's why I cooked that earlier before adding the chicken. So I am going to stir and cover to let cook. So I used 4 bell pepper and 1 can tomatoes with onions. So I'm going to blend that. I'm not going to let the bell pepper be too smooth. Okay, so as you can see, I have finished frying the meat and chicken. I added onions. I'm going to add the bell pepper first with my scotch bonnet pepper and onions that I blended. So I'm going to add my seasoning, and after doing that, I'm going to stir and then add my diced tomatoes. Remember, I told you that I use bell pepper and diced tomatoes for this sauce. Guys, trust me, this stew is very delicious. Like, you have to give it a try, okay? Try it and feel the difference. Like, see what I'm talking about. So I added the water that I used in cooking the meat. So I'm going to add my goat's meat first and then cover to let cook a little while before I add my chicken. Remember, my chicken is very soft, so I don't want it to scratch, even though I fried it a little bit. Okay, so I just want to be careful about that. So now I added the chicken, and guys, I'm going to cover and let it cook. And ta-da, guys, as you can see, that's how I prepare this delicious special stew or sauce you are seeing here. Guys, thank you so much for watching from the start till the end. I really appreciate you guys. I appreciate your support. Please do well by helping me to share the video, like, and also comment. And if you have also not followed me on my Facebook page and social media platform, please do so. The name is Mama Triple N. Thank you so much and see you in my next video. Bye.